Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video on my Golf R. I've actually tried to make this video about 3 or 4 times now, and my GoPro keeps on not saving the files, so hopefully this is the one that works. So it's day 2 or 3 of the UK coronavirus lockdown, and as you can tell, I'm in my car. That means I'm going to work, because apparently I still have to. But I digress, I will not be getting into that this video. This video is a update about my Golf R. So some of the things that I've changed with my Golf R over the recent weeks is I've removed the Cobra Sport exhaust system and I've put back the stock system. This is simply because the Cobra One droned a little bit too much for my daily commute. That's not to say that the drone was bad, it wasn't, it was perfectly livable, I was just being a bit picky. So the drone was completely fine, to be fair, but I was just being a bit picky with what was on my car. So I decided to take it off, put the stock one back on, which I think was a very good decision. Now I've done it because this stock exhaust sounds better in all of the modes, apart from race, where race mode was crack and popple and bang in the Cobra One, but this one it doesn't because GPF stock exhaust it's not going to. But that being said, it does sound a bit better now I've actually got some mileage on the car and it's bedded in a bit. So yeah, so far I'm happy with the stock exhaust on my Golf R. I will be changing it again in the future. I'm not going to stick with it forever, but as I daily commute the car, like I said, I don't want drone at 50-60 miles an hour. Well, at like 8 o'clock in the morning, I just want to cruise to work and not have a headache when I get there. So that's why I've gone back to the stock one. I might put the Cobra One back on in some time, I don't know. I'm not sure what to do with it just yet. So that's the first bit of news about my Golf R. The next one is I was meant to be going to have tyres and springs fitted on Friday at Demon Tweaks in Wrexham, but due to the coronavirus we're not doing that anymore. We're going to wait until things have settled again, which is probably for the best, I guess. Well, that has kind of got me curious to if I've made a good decision with the tyres that I'm going to put on my Golf R. So I kind of want to know what you guys have got on your MQB or hot hatches, to be fair. Just let me know what tyres you've got on your car. And yeah, drop a comment down below and we'll have a read of some suggestions and we'll see what people are putting on. I think most people will probably say Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's, but the tyres I want to go for have to be good for daily driving, not be ridiculously expensive, but still relatively fun and quite grippy. I think the Pilot Sport 4S's will be the best tyre for the car, but I don't think I'll be able to get the maximum performance out of the tyres during my daily commute. I'm just going to be wearing them down doing 50 miles an hour stuff behind a lorry on the way to work, which is probably not ideal for spending £600 on tyres. So I'm kind of laying off the idea of getting those just yet. I will put some on because I want to see what they're like, but I think for now I'm more drawn towards Toyo Proxy Sports. They seem to be a good price for the performance that they will deliver. Obviously they're not going to match up to the Michelins at the top end of things, but I think for daily living they're going to be just as good. I probably won't notice much of a difference just cruising around, so that's kind of where I am with that. And then the springs I wanted to get put on, I have no idea how you pronounce the actual name of them, but they are the Vogtland lowering springs from Demon Tweaks. They are the 25mm drop for the Golf R, and I think when they've settled they'll probably be between 25 and 30mm drop, which will give it a nice good look. And apparently they are progressive rate coils as well, so the top and the bottom have different compression ratios, so they should feel that better at low speeds, but at high speeds they should handle really nicely as well. And people who have put them on have said that they handle much better than things like IBEC or Racing Line springs and stuff. So yeah, we're going to give them a go. If they're shit, we can just swap them out for another part. That's the fun of buying performance parts, is you never stop buying them. You can just try new things if you want to. So we'll give them a go. I think I'm going to enjoy them. I've had some before. They're really good quality, so I'm quite keen to get another set on my Golf R, to be fair. But then I need to know kind of what spaces to get for the front and for the rear. I know some people run 15 at the rear, 12 at the front, or 12 all around, or 10 at the front, 15 at the back. I just don't know which ones to go for that will fit the kind of stance or drop I'm going to go for, if that makes sense. So again, if you've got any spaces on your Golf R or MQB platform vehicle, then drop a comment down below and I will have a read of what you've got. So yeah, that's kind of just what I've been going on with at the moment. There's a lot going on. I know this whole Corona thing has got everyone in lockdown, and I thought I'd provide some content for people to watch to kill 5-6 minutes of your time. So if you've enjoyed this, there's going to be loads more content when all of this dies back down again and everything's smoothed out again. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and if you could, go follow me on Instagram as well. I'll put the handle here. So yeah, cheers, thanks for watching, and I will catch you all in the next video.